Hello and welcome to another episode of Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning. I'm Dr. Sunita Nikam, Associate Professor at SCDL, and it's been my privilege to be part of this institution for last 2 years. During this time, I have seen SCDL continually bring exciting opportunities to our students. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce our latest offering, the Postgraduate Certificate program in cybersecurity. In today's digital landscape, learning cybersecurity is crucial due to the increasing frequency and sophistication of cyber threats. There is high demand for skilled professionals offering ample job opportunities and career advancement. By mastering skills in cybersecurity, individuals and organizations can safeguard their digital assets and contribute to safer online environment. SCDL's Postgraduate Certificate program in cybersecurity equips students with hands-on experience using the latest tools and technologies, preparing them for high-demand roles in the industry. The program provides a strong foundation in both technical and managerial aspects, making our graduates highly versatile and competitive in the job market. Our curriculum covers essential topics such as cybersecurity fundamentals, network security, cryptography, incident management, web on mobile security, forensic investigation, and many more, along with practical project training. Graduates of our cybersecurity program can expect to qualify for various roles in cybersecurity field. Some potential job titles include network security engineer, ethical hacker, cybersecurity analyst, incident responder, digital forensic investigator, cloud security engineer, and many more. What sets SCDL's program apart is our strategic collaboration with EC Council, a globally recognized leader in cybersecurity certification and training. This partnership allows us to offer industry-aligned content and globally recognized certification at highly competitive price, which includes extensive hands-on training through iLabs, providing practical experience crucial for mastering cybersecurity skills. Additionally, our flexible learning approach accommodates working professionals, ensuring they can balance their studies with their career commitments. So, let's join together to secure the digital future. Enroll in SCDL's Postgraduate Certificate program in cybersecurity today and take the first step towards rewarding career in this dynamic field. Thank you.